What's up guys? Welcome back to another vlog. I just got back from Auto Plus Philippines. I claimed 3 of the other WedsSport TC105X wheels because we're getting ready, of course, to mount these on, of course, the GR Yaris. It's here. When I opened one of the boxes, apparently it came with center caps. Ito yung box ng optional center caps. And yes, optional siya. Pero sila ni Auto Plus, they just included it with the wheels. So thank you so much. Let's open it just so that you guys can see. I'm not sure if I'll be using this kasi si WedsSport mismo, they actually sell a center cap for the TC105X that is actually hub-centric. So it doubles as a hub-centric ring and at the same time as a center cap. So this one is the aluminum center cap that's optional, which fits all cars. Kasi yung hub-centric ring, of course, it's car-specific. This one is the universal one. Yan. So this one is made out of aluminum. Very high quality. Totoong carbon fiber ba to? Parang. I-joke, parang hindi. Parang hindi, no? Pero mukhang carbon fiber talaga. So here is the 4th WedsSport na wheel. Dito ko lang nilagay kasi hindi kasya sa GR Yaris. So we'll be using the Montero today, which I haven't ever featured in this channel. But we took this 4x2 Montero to Lake Mapanuepe a few weeks ago. And it actually survived the trail. Tapos naka-stock tires lang yan. And then rota grid. I don't know what you call it. But yeah, anyway, let's hop in.
Race yan.
Ha?
Race yan.
Race? Nako.
Deathmatch.
Deathmatch copy.
Kami na ako naloko dyan.
Pag sa watches, pag kilala ka ng tao and you wear a fake watch, they're still gonna think it's a real one. Pero parang ganun lang din yun sa wheels. So, if your other cars have real TE37s and then you install a copy on one of your cars, they're still gonna think na it's the real thing. Right now, we are headed to... Saan ba tayo?
Yokohama Shaw.
Because we're gonna go there to actually get some tires for Project GR Yaris. So as you guys know, meron na tayong TC105X in 18x9 plus 32, which is my dream spec. Talagang perfect for street and track yun. So ito yung shop nila. Woo! May Toyo tires din dyan. But anyway, may Dunlop din. Ano ba yan? Kala ko Yokohama to. So ito yung mga andito. Ano ba to? S-Drive ata to eh. And then ito AO52. And then ito, alam ko ito yung bago nilang tire, the Apex. So V601 Advan Apex. Heard this is a good street tire. Parang inspired siya by the AO52 na treadwear. Treadwear. Yung tread design, pero pang street siya. So if you like driving sporty sa street, Advan Apex. Pero hindi ito yung kukunin natin today because honestly for me, I feel like bitin to for the performance ng GR Yaris. So we're getting something na mas mataas na performance dito ng konti. And you'd be surprised, hindi siya bago na tire. Ha?
Pang Montero.
Yun nga yung sinasabi ko na parang ano siya, all-terrain pero more for the road. Pero pwede na yung HT kasi 4x2 lang naman yung Montero. Alam nga naman maglalagay ko all-terrain sa 4x2.
Hindi naman mukhang all-terrain.
Nakasulat all-terrain, hindi mukhang all-terrain.
Sulat lang.
Shop Dog in Yokohama. So tara, surprise guys. Ito na yun. Sorry maingay pero this is what we got for Project GR Yaris Advan Neova AD08R. We got it in 245 40 18. It's saktong-sakto for the 18x9 na WedsSport TC105X natin.
Meron ba libreng payong?
May libreng payong.
Saka may shakies pa.
Uy, shakies. Pwede tayo mag-pizza after.
Oo.
Ayos yan ah. Maganda yung payong. Buksan mo nga, buksan mo. Wow, ayos ah. Yokohama. Malaki. So, mission success guys. The Pinoys like calling this tire the Neova. And I think this is the king of Instagram kasi ang daming kumukopya ng tire na to. Like si Cylon R01. I mean, this is not to diss them by the way. Pero si Cylon R01, they have this tire that looks exactly, well, not exactly the same. Pero like very, very similar So talagang ito yung pinaka-popular na tire sa JDM tuning culture, I guess. I've never tried it. I'm so excited to try what the hype is all about. As in, mas may hype pa to kaysa sa AO52.
Ano na eh, this tire is almost
9 years old na yan or something, pero still relevant in the industry, I guess. Maybe because it's a JDM icon, not gulong or something. I don't know what's up with this tire. So I'm excited to try it, and of course sa susunod na vlogs, I'm gonna let you guys know what I think of it. Kung pinakita ko to sa Instagram, baka dumami yung likes natin. First impressions, I was carrying this in comparison to the AO52, which is on the Type R. This is actually a pretty heavy tire, but that's okay because we're not gonna go racing with this. Just gonna use it for everyday driving and maybe spirited drives and a couple of track days. The sidewall of this thing is much chunkier compared to the one here, so I'm really excited on how this is gonna turn out. If you actually use your nail over here and do like that, it actually produces a mark, which means this tire compound is actually pretty soft. Now let's try doing that with the tire compound on the stock GR Yaris. There's a mark, but it's not as deep as the one in the AD08R. So I don't know. My assumption is that the dry grip of this AD08 tire is much better. This part does not flex at all, no matter how hard I press on it, even when it's standing. Yeah, there, it's not flexing that much, which reminds me of the AO52, which is on the Type R, because that tire is a race tire, and sporty tires or like performance oriented tires are usually this strong. They don't bend as much because that stiffness is what provides the response when you turn in.
The following day,
the smell of AD08R tires in the car. Let's go. So I got the TPMS sensors all readied up. Kakabit na lang to. I have no words. Sobrang ganda niya tingnan. Look at that tire. Ganda talaga ng tread ng Neova. Tapos ayan, nakabalance na rin siya and everything. So if you wanna get your tires mounted on your wheels, dito na lang kayo sa Drive Plus. Sobrang okay sila dito. Very maingat. Not a single scratch on my wheel. Very good service.
a few moments later.
So over here guys, we have our handy dandy luggage weighing scale. We're gonna be using this to actually find out the weight of the stock wheel and tire. So let's do it. 17.9 kilos. 19.85. So we actually gained 2 kilos. But that's not so bad because we actually went wider from a 225 to a 245/40, and honestly, I really feel like the added weight is because of the AD08R, which is actually a 9-year-old tire already. If you actually compare the weight of just the wheels, the stock wheel is around 8.8 kilos, and the WedsSport TC105X, as we tested, is just 7.6 kilos. Yeah, it's really the tires that are making the setup heavier. That's life. So as you can see, the new setup is actually quite tall compared to the stock. So the new setup is actually 16 millimeters taller versus the stock wheel and tire setup. Oh my god, guys, I just fitted it to the car. Woohoo! It looks so good! Look at that! Oh my god! Wait, I'll show you guys another angle. When that goes down, that's gonna be perfectly like aligned with the fender. Woohoo! Obviously, there's still a bit more sag here because we haven't moved the car. But, oh my god. Look at that, guys! Oh! It looks so good. It looks so good. Look at it from that angle. If you add a bit more camber, like -1 or -2 camber, perfect spec. Look at that. Damn. Let me get out of the car first and inspect the car because I haven't seen it na nag-set na yung suspension. Here it is. Wow! Pogi! Damn, that looks so good. Look at that. Wow! So the fitment, I believe, is perfect. Even from the rear, you can see how aggressive the AD08R tires are. Let me zoom in a bit. There. If we lower this thing, it's gonna look so good. Wow, grabe. So hard work really pays off, guys, when you do your research when it comes to wheels and tires. Get the perfect offset, get the perfect size of the tire. The front wheel, oh my god, let me show you the clearance. Let me just turn the wheel all the way. So that's full lock. Look at that clearance inside. You see that? One finger clearance. So I was planning to go 255, but thankfully I didn't, or else that's gonna rub. So on the other side of the car, we also have perfect clearance on full lock. That's a 1 finger gap over there. So thankfully I didn't go for the 255 because it would have rubbed. Yeah, it would have rubbed. And for the rear, no problem with the rear. There's a lot of space. Oh, it turned out so good. Wow. Huh? Look, now it looks like a fat frog. Wow. Look how wide that thing is. The stance is now wide. Wow, it looks so good. The center caps, by the way. The center caps are already here. It says WedsSport. Already there. This is just the start for Project GR Yaris with the mods. We haven't done any exterior mods because I was waiting for the wheels and tires first, so that we can gauge what we can do when they're on. And now that they're on, it's time to get started. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time. You guys take care. Goodbye.